Bacon, crispy, smoky, and absolutely irresistible. But have you ever stopped to wonder how that iconic strip ends up on your plate each morning? From futuristic farms to precision slicing machines, bacon's journey is more incredible than you might think. With Americans devouring over 1.5 billion pounds of it every year, enough to wrap around the planet, it's time to uncover the sizzling story behind this breakfast legend. Do you know that the world consumes over 4 million metric tons of bacon every year? The main ingredient for making bacon is pork belly. Bacon isn't just a modern breakfast icon, it's ancient. The Chinese were curing pork belly in 1500 BC, and the Romans had their own version called petasso, served with figs and wine. It all begins on high-tech pig farms, where pigs live in climate-controlled barns, dine on balanced nutrition, and get regular health checkups. Stress-free pigs, better meat. A single industrial farm with 10,000 sows can produce over 250,000 piglets each year, enough to start a bacon buffet for an entire city. Every year, the U.S. alone processes over 125 million pigs, and a large portion of that becomes bacon. That's enough to stretch bacon strips around the earth, several times. Once pigs hit their prime, around 100 to 130 kilograms, they're transported humanely to a cutting-edge facility, where the real bacon magic begins. Welcome to a modern pork processing facility, where humane slaughter is the gold standard. First up, a vertical slice down the center of the pig's body, splitting it cleanly into two symmetrical halves. This opens the door to precision processing, where every cut has a purpose, and every gram is accounted for. Next, the legs and shoulders are removed, destined to become juicy hams, roasts, or sausage meat. Then, they cut the body down the middle, right along the backbone. This is where you'll find the best parts for bacon: the belly, the ribs, and the loin. It's this fatty, flavorful section that becomes the bacon you know and crave. Each cut is handled with surgical precision, because in a modern facility, every part has purpose, and nothing goes to waste. Next, we need to remove the ribs. Some facilities use high-pressure presses, while others rely on skilled hands to gently lift out the bones without tearing the meat, like unzipping flavor from the frame. Time for a trim. Modern machines carefully shape each belly, trimming skin, excess fat, and squaring the edges. Why? Because perfectly trimmed slabs cure better, slice easier, and look amazing in the pack. Each pork belly is flavored with a special mix of salt, sugar, and spices, the magic dust that gives every brand its unique taste. In many factories, machines inject a salty brine directly into the meat using fine needles. This helps the flavor spread evenly, all the way through. Now, it's off to the smokehouse. Inside, bellies are slowly smoked over real wood chips. Applewood, hickory, maple. This is where raw pork belly becomes smoky, savory, mouth-watering bacon. But we're not done yet. After smoking, the slabs go through a gentle pressing process to form perfect blocks. Industrial scanners check for cracks, voids, or uneven textures, making sure only top-tier bacon moves forward. Then comes the magic moment, slicing. Ultra-sharp blades zip through each slab, slicing bacon thin, thick, or somewhere in between, depending on market demand. The slices are laid out precisely, like edible dominoes of joy, ready for their final stop. Before the bacon is packaged, each slab is weighed to ensure it meets the desired specifications, ensuring consistency in every package. Last but not least, packaging. The bacon strips are vacuum sealed to lock in freshness, labeled, chilled, and shipped. Some packs even have see-through windows so shoppers can admire the marbling before buying. In fact, over 1.5 billion pounds of bacon are consumed in the US alone each year. That's enough to fill more than 10,000 football fields if you laid the bacon out side by side. So the next time you hear that sizzle or smell that smoky aroma, remember, behind every slice of bacon is a high-tech journey from piglet to perfection. It's not just breakfast. It's a masterpiece. And honestly, it's bacon. What more do you need? Thank you, and see you next time.